This is the Door Christian Fellowship Church, Mukuru kwa Reuben. You can see what is happening in our church as a result of the ongoing heavy rains in Kenya. The place, the church building is totally flooded. The water is end to end. You can see those are some of the brothers in church. The benches are submerged. The chairs submerged. Everything is in a mess. We can't even hold a service here. You can see, let me show you the outside of the church building. These are some of the brothers in church. This is the outside of the building. Totally in a mess. You look at what is happening. This is outside the church compound. Those are some of the church members preparing to see whether they can remove the water. This is the main entrance of the church building. The other one was the back door. You can see. Look at it. Maybe I'll give the space to these ladies as they remove the water, try to remove the water. This can take 2 days to remove that water. But the unfortunate thing is that every time they finish removing, the rain still is ongoing. You can look at the inside. This is our altar. Oh, I almost fell down. So this is the outside of the church. Oh, I'm almost falling down. Let me show you outside the church compound. This is what we're experiencing here. You can see some have to be even carried. This is our main gate to the church compound, totally flooded. You can see. Just in case you realize you've stopped broadcasting. Wow, mambo uko salama? Don't even know where to step, but I'm gonna step. This is the main gate. People walking on water because there is no other way. If you can't walk on water, then you have to board a motorbike, which you have to pay. This is outside the church compound. Totally in a mess. Our church is in between two roads. This road and this other road. Children are enjoying the water. This is a flooded road. These are motorbike guys waiting to ferry people to the other side. This is what is happening in Mukuru kwa Reuben. This is the church entrance. Nowhere to pass. Have to be very careful. This is Brother Hussein. He's trying to see how we can start removing that water.